This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ginger for sushi. First, select fresh ginger root that feels firm and has smooth skin. Next, carefully peel the ginger using the edge of a spoon or a small vegetable peeler to remove the outer layer. Then, slice the peeled ginger very thinly, ideally against the grain, to achieve delicate pieces perfect for pickling. Aim for slices about 1/16 of an inch thick. Now, let's prepare the ginger slices. Place your thinly sliced ginger into a bowl and sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt evenly over them. Gently toss to coat all the pieces. Let the salted ginger sit for about 30 minutes. This helps draw out excess moisture and mellow its flavor. After resting, rinse the ginger thoroughly under cold running water to remove the salt, then pat it dry. Next, we'll create the pickling liquid. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Heat this mixture gently over low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. It's important not to boil it. Once dissolved, remove the pan from the heat and let the liquid cool down to room temperature before proceeding. Finally, it's time to pickle your ginger. Carefully pack the dried ginger slices into a clean, sterilized glass jar. Once the pickling liquid has completely cooled, pour it over the ginger, ensuring all the slices are fully submerged. Seal the jar and refrigerate it for at least 24 hours before serving. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, see the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade sushi ginger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.